Hello everyone, and welcome to this new episode of Creating Simplex. In this video, we will be covering the creation of the main character. So, I decided to call the character Simplex, just like the game's name, and I wanted to give him also a little human aspect. I've already created all the artwork for this game, as you might have already noticed, and this is basically what Simplex looks like. In order to create this character, I decided to first write a story to make something a little more coherent with the ambience of the game and to try to just give an overall unique experience. Even if the player might not understand it, it gives me a good direction for the creation of everything else. So, this is the story. The main avatar's name is Simplex. The idea is that Simplex has to transfer a sense of empathy to the player due to his human aspects, making the player realize how lonely Simplex is in a world full of puzzles. As a matter of fact, the objective is to solve every puzzle to try and reach something, but this something is never actually a clear vision. It's more of an idea that to survive, the player must keep solving puzzles for the rest of his life. Let's take another look at his appearance. So, he's a humanoid robot. Okay, so the thing is, that little bright spot that you see in the middle of his body that goes downwards, that's his arm, and then his arm is also separate. They're all separate dynamic components. Let's say that if the character goes near a cube, the arm will just rotate forwards to just lean on the cube and push it, or the head might look at a door or a key, just to indicate to the player that there's something nearby and he has to go there and explore. In this time lapse, I'll also cover the creation of the input system. Here on screen you can see a few buttons that I've already drawn. They're pretty self-explanatory. The left and right arrow to move left and right, and the little dot is just to jump. Hope you enjoy. And this is the final result. What do you guys think? Honestly, it wasn't expected for Simplex's head to bounce up and down like that when you jump, but overall I think it's a good result. Let me know in the comments down below. In the next episodes, I will start creating a few more game mechanics, of which the weight cube, pressure pads, and other buttons. You might be able to also guess a few things that will be in the game from some other episode where you can see all of the artwork in one single screen. Well, I say that's about it. We can wrap up this time-lapse episode of Creating Simplex here. If you've enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and get notified.